Have you ever pondered the possibility that the ideal ride exists and is just waiting for you to find it without costing you a fortune? Well, gearheads and penny savers, the search ends here. Get ready to cruise through the realm of the finest used cars, which are as reliable as they are exhilarating. Welcome to a ride that's about to shift your driving game into high gear. Hey there, gearheads and practical penny pinchers! Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today, we're stepping into a world where reliability meets affordability, and style comes with a dash of nostalgia. We've all been there, scouring the web for advice on the best used cars, only to be bombarded with options that feel about as reliable as a sputtering engine on a cold morning. Forget those flashy, wallet-draining rides that seem to lose their shine faster than a kid's new toy. Today, we're diving into a list of used cars that are not only worth your hard-earned cash, but might just become your road trip companions for years to come. So, whether you're a weekend road warrior, a city slicker in search of a daily driver, or just someone who wants a reliable set of wheels without selling a kidney, this video is your ultimate guide to the top 5 used cars that are not only practical, but also packed with the punch of driving pleasure. And remember, these are not just cars. They're the embodiment of trust, dependability, and a touch of that old-school charm that only a well-crafted machine can provide. 2012 Honda Accord. Let's kick things off with a bang, shall we? Buckle up for the 2012 Honda Accord, a car that proves misconceptions wrong faster than you can say automatic transmission. Now, I know you might have heard whispers about the Achilles heel of Honda Accords, their weak automatic transmissions. But here's the scoop. That was mostly a thing for the 2005 to 2010 models. Yep, they had a recall for those babies. But guess what? The 2012 version swooped in to save the day with a redesigned transmission that can handle more twists and turns than your favorite thriller novel. The 2012 Accord's transmission not only addressed the previous issues, but also improved overall performance and fuel efficiency. With its smooth shifting and reliable durability, the Accord's automatic transmission has become a standout feature, putting to rest any doubts about its capabilities. And oh, the longevity of those 4-cylinder models. They're like the Energizer Bunny of the automotive world, going and going and going. Plus, families adore them. It's like they have a secret pact with soccer moms and dads to be both practical and stylish. A 4-door dynamo with enough pep to keep the family entertained on long drives without turning into a minivan driving cliché. So, don't let those rumors steer you off track. The 2012 Honda Accord is here to prove that not all automatic transmissions are created equal, and this one's ready to take you on a smooth and reliable ride. 2012 Ford Fusion. Now, let's talk fusion. A fusion that doesn't involve nuclear reactors or a failed science experiment. We're talking about the 2012 Ford Fusion, the result of an unexpected partnership between Ford and Volvo. Imagine two giants teaming up like Batman and Robin to craft a car that's not just reliable, but boasts a ride so smooth it's like gliding on a buttered cloud. The 2012 Ford Fusion combines the engineering expertise of both Ford and Volvo, resulting in a car that offers exceptional performance and safety features. With its sleek design and advanced technology, this fusion of talents creates a vehicle that not only turns heads, but also delivers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. But what's even cooler is that this Fusion doesn't suffer from transmission hiccups like some other cars. No, it's a dependable road bunny that won't leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere with a puzzled look on your face. And guess what? Since Ford decided to focus on SUVs and trucks instead, you might just snag one of these Fusions for a price that won't give your wallet a panic attack. So, get ready to experience the magic of this fusion of engineering prowess and partnership brilliance. A used car that's as smooth on the road as it is on your budget. 2013 Honda Civic. The Honda Civic. Nifty, zippy, and as dependable as that one friend who always remembers your birthday. This ride has gone through a transformation that's more jaw-dropping than a caterpillar becoming a butterfly. From its humble beginnings, the 2013 Civic has evolved into a beacon of reliability that's loved by young speed demons and seasoned road warriors alike. With its sleek and aerodynamic design, the 2013 Honda Civic not only turns heads, but also delivers impressive fuel efficiency. Equipped with advanced safety features and a comfortable interior, this car ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride for both driver and passengers. And let's not forget about fuel efficiency. This baby sips gasoline like it's a fine wine, making your wallet do a happy dance every time you pull up to the pump. It's like having a magic coin that keeps refilling itself. Plus, Civics know the value of modesty. They hold on to their worth like it's their life mission, ensuring that your investment isn't just a flash in the pan. So, whether you're weaving through city streets or embarking on cross-country adventures, the 2013 Honda Civic is the perfect co-pilot for your journey. Alright my fellow road warriors, it's time for a pit stop and a quick check-in. Are you feeling the thrill of these used car options yet? If you're still on the fence, don't worry. I've got more horsepower coming your way. So, hang tight because we're about to shift gears and dive into the next set of wheels that'll make you want to hit the road with style and confidence. Ready to continue this ride? Let's rev it up. 2012 Toyota Corolla. Next stop, the Toyota Corolla, a name that's practically synonymous with longevity. These cars are like the Energizer Bunny's cousins, determined to keep going even when the road gets rough. It's not just about having an engine that flaps in the face of time. It's also about the sheer availability of parts due to mass production. And let's not forget the versatility. Corollas are like the chameleons of the automotive world, adapting to various personalities and preferences. Whether you're a fixer-upper aficionado or just want a reliable set of wheels that won't put you in the poorhouse, the Corolla's got your back. And don't be fooled by its unassuming exterior. Underneath that unpretentious facade lies a car that's ready to tackle your daily commute, spontaneous road trips, and everything in between. 2011 Toyota Camry. And now, the grand finale, the 2011 Toyota Camry. Sure, some might call it boring, but I call it predictably awesome. This ride doesn't need to shout about its reliability from the rooftops. It just starts every time. No fuss, no drama. It's like the cool, calm, and collected friend who never lets you down. And you know what's even better? That boring factor. While some cars age like milk left in the sun, the Camry ages like fine wine, only getting better with time. It's roofy, comfy, and perfect for families who want a car that doesn't just transport them but takes them places without breaking a sweat. So, if you're seeking a vehicle that's the epitome of practicality, dependability, and comfort, the 2011 Toyota Camry has your name written all over it. Well, there you have it, my fellow road explorers. A tour through the world of used cars that prove age is just a number. From the reliable Honda Accord to the mighty Toyota Camry, these gems aren't just cars. They're your ticket to an epic journey without the hassle. So, if you're ready to trade in your worries for the open road, hit that subscribe button and join the Car Computer Exchange crew for more thrilling rides, savvy tips, and automotive adventures. Remember, the road less traveled is always more fun when you're behind the wheel of a used car that's got your back. Until next time, drive on and stay fabulous.